What is up, wrench wizards? Welcome back to Throttle Theories, where we're going to break down today the best and the worst years. We're talking about the Dodge Charger. Stick around as we go through the worst Chargers to buy and which ones are actually worth your hard-earned cash. Alright, let's start with the bad news.
And I got news for you.
Here are the Charger models you'll want to avoid and why. 2006 to 2007 Dodge Charger. These early models of modern Charger redesign were plagued with major engine and transmission problems, especially with the 2.7 liter V6, which was known as an oil sludge buildup and early failure.
What do you think, Antonio?
The interior quality was also rough, with cheap materials and poor build quality. If you're looking at these years, just be prepared for expensive repairs. Next, the 2011 to 2014 Dodge Chargers. While the second gen Chargers brought better design and tech, these years suffered from a lot of electrical issues. The alternator failures and premature battery drain were super common.
That's the problem right there. What is that? The turbonator. See, the turbonator hooked up to the motor. The motor ain't pushing enough pressure out for the gas pedal,
leaving owners stranded. Plus, the 5.7 Hemi had problems with the infamous lifters ticking. The 2015 to 2016 Dodge Charger, the early 8-speed models, these transmissions introduced the 8-speed automatic transmission, which was a step up from the old 5-speed, but early models had serious transmission hesitation and shifting issues. Some models also suffered from weak suspension components, leading to a rough ride and expensive fixes. If you're shopping for a used Charger, these years might seem like a tempting price-wise, but trust me, they could cost you way more in repairs down the road. Now we got the bad news out of the way, let's talk about Chargers that are actually worth your money.
Yes, I see. Good news, everyone!
These models have the best reliability, performance, and overall value. The 2009 to 2010 Dodge Charger, the last years of the first gen, these still had an old school Charger look, but were more refined than earlier models. The 5.7 Hemi V8 in these models is a beast. They avoided most of the major issues of the 2006 to 2007 models. If you want an affordable Charger with classic muscle car vibes, these are solid choices. The 2019 to 2023 Dodge Chargers, they really nailed it with these years, especially with the Scat Pack and the Hellcat models. The 8-speed automatic was fully refined by this point, offering smooth and reliable shifts. Plus, the interior tech got much needed upgrades, making them feel more modern and comfortable. These years will give you the best bang for your buck and the fewest headaches, whether you want to stay for the V6 for daily driving or a full-blown Hellcat for pure power. You can't really go wrong with those. Alright, that wraps up today's breakdown of the Dodge Charger best and worst years. If you're shopping for one, be smart about it. Don't get stuck with Money Pit. If you found this video helpful, hit that button, subscribe for more car content, and drop a comment below on which Charger year you think is the best. Catch you in the next one on Throttle Theories. Peace.